Do you know, these videos that I make, they're as much for me as they are for you. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love making videos for this platform and I love sharing them with you. That is why I do it. But one day these videos, they will be like my home movies. And I love the idea that one day when I'm old and grey, I can be sat in my armchair and I can put these videos on and I can remember and have a record of all the fun times that I had over the years with all the people that I loved. And to tell you the truth, these next few videos that you're about to see on this channel, these are gonna be particularly precious ones. These I just know are gonna be videos that I watch over and over and over again over the years. Now, every family, I'm sure, spends hours and hours and hours over the years talking about those sort of hypothetical holidays of a lifetime that they'd love to get to and love to do one day. I know my family do it all the time. Well, this time, instead of just talking about it, we actually went and booked one of them. So for the next 5 days, it's me and these two. You know them as Steve and Marilyn, I know them as Mum and Dad. And the three of us are going to a quaint little city that you may have heard of. It's a city where you'll find many a hot dog, a yellow cab, and a coffee. I apologise for the terrible accent, but in the words of Kevin McAllister's mum in Home Alone 2, we're going to New York. Move it. We're staying at the Sonder One Plat. It's quite big. I'll give you a quick tour. That's the family bathroom, the sharer. This is the kitchenette. Dad's inspecting the cupboards.
Nice.
Happy? Some coffee. They've left us some coffee. Proper coffee pot there as well. Quite a nice little kitchen actually. It's got everything you need. Nice big fridge, freezer, wardrobe space over there. And through here, some art on the wall. Got another wardrobe. We've got a bedroom here. I'll just turn the light on so you can see. Some more questionable art on the wall there. And then we go through this way. Some more random art. And then through here is another bedroom. This is the lounge area, AKA hey, you're sitting on my bed. This is the lounge area, big TV, some more interesting art on the wall, coffee table, dining room table for two, and a view of the Hudson River, I think that is, or is that the East River? I think that's the East River. I think the Hudson River's on the other side, like behind us, if that makes sense. We're on the 14th floor, as you can see. I don't think I've ever slept up this high before. It took us a long time to get here. The time now is 10 to 5 America time. We flew here, then we had to queue for 2 hours at customs, which was mental, hot and sweaty and hot, and just took ages. But we're in now, we've made it. We don't feel like doing a lot. We're probably just gonna chill and look at the view. Need to get some food at some point though, don't we? Yeah. Fresh fruit? I could do it, I wouldn't mind some fresh fruit. Prefer strawberries, yeah?
I think so.
Go on then, get them in your basket. To me, their grapes massive compared to ours. But Tesco's a shame, don't they, really? All looks nicer than Tesco as well, doesn't it? Fresh. Joe would love it in there. This is Joe's favourite thing to do abroad, is to go in the supermarkets and buy all the stuff. Joe would also find this quite funny. Nestle Tolos. This is the priority, really, isn't it? Some milk. No, you don't want that. That's
no, it's not. It's mixed up here.
Oh, is it?
That's fat free.
Oh, so their blue milk is our red milk.
Yeah.
Surely you're safe with green though.
This is.
That's just milk.
What's the green?
1%.
1%. So that's like
our semi-skimmed, isn't it? I reckon that's the one.
Go with that.
Green is green. Do you know, I wanted to get some coffee to take home, and I've had this coffee before. IHOP. Yeah, it's from the Pancake House. Oh, Dunkin' Donuts also does quite good coffee. We're definitely in America. They have a whole section dedicated to mac and cheese. We love the stuff.
New York blend.
Oh yeah, bit of tea. Mum's loving the teas. I'm surprised you haven't gone for a thing of English breakfast tea. Although you brought some, didn't you? You got some tea.
You want to see the dishwasher?
I do, actually. This is not the second time we've done this. Oh, wow. Come and see the dishwasher. Cheers, then.
Cheers, mate.
Wait, where do you reckon the dishwasher is there?
Got it?
Yeah, open it. It's so weird. No different to home, isn't it? This place is absolutely massive, isn't it? It takes ages to walk all the way through. Still walking, still walking, still going, still going, still going. There we go, we're in the lounge. And Mum spotted this, by the way, look at this. See all those people there walking? That is the Brooklyn Bridge. So technically, even though it's in a little bit of it, we have got a Brooklyn Bridge view. So we ventured out, we're going to get some food. We thought we'd have a look at Oculus, so let's go and have a look at that. It's a shopping centre and I think a subway station as well. One of my favourite buildings in New York. Beautifully designed. Incredible. There you go, that was a beautiful Oculus building. Now we're going to go and have a look at the 9/11 Memorial, which I've been here twice before. Every time you come, it's a staggering place to visit. Just a beautiful tribute to the heroes of that day, of which there were so many. We all remember where we were. But to come here and actually see where it happened, it's unbelievable. You know, there's two big holes in the ground where buildings should be, where people should be working, and they're not there. Honestly, so big. 1,776 feet tall, this building. Unbelievable. Tallest building. It's the tallest building in the Western Hemisphere. This is where the North Tower once stood, next to where the current World Trade Center, One World Trade is. And this is it. And as you're about to see, all the way around are all the names of the people that were killed on that day. And when there's a flower, it means that it was that person's birthday recently. See, in the middle, the water keeps, it's like a waterfall, so it keeps falling and it goes into the middle. And the point is that there'll always be like a void that can never be filled. No matter how much you put in, there'll always be a void that can never be fully filled. That's the point of it. This tree's very interesting because they found it in the rubble. It was all broken down and stuff, so they took it away and regrew it. It's called the survivor tree. But it came back to life, even though it was found in the rubble. There you go, that's how you end your first day in New York, well, half day. First half day in New York, we're ending it with Chick-fil-a in the Sonder apartment with that view. Not bad, eh? Not bad. It's a short intro to our time in New York because it was a very, very brief day. We're very tired. It's actually only, what is the time? 7:30 here, so it's 7:30, doesn't sound late, feels very late, so I'm gonna call it a day. See you in the next one.